Today is the space trip!
It is not a trip to space, Tom.
But there will be telescopes.
Uncle Michael will show you the observatory today. Will we see aliens? No aliens, only stars.
Easy there, astronaut.
I am ready for Saturn. We are only visiting. The observatory is very far away.
The best stars live far from city lights.
Can people really see Saturn?
Yes, tonight you will.
It is huge.
That dome protects the telescope.
The telescope is inside? This place feels like a spaceship.
A little bit.
I like the planet pictures. Did somebody go there?
Yes, astronauts walked on the moon.
They walked there?
That rock came from space,
Space? How old is it?
older than Earth. The telescope moves with computers.
It looks like a spaceship control room. Can the telescope move by itself?
Let's go see the real stars.
When can we see Saturn?
When the sky becomes dark.
I can already see stars. I can already see stars. Whoa.
The stars are waiting for us. Tom, you can look first.
Really? Really? I can see it.
It has rings.
What do you see?
Saturn.
It is real. My turn?
Of course. Look slowly.
Oh.
Do you see it?
Yes, it looks like a tiny jewel. Wow.
That is Saturn. The planet with rings.
Are the rings roads? Roads? For space cars.
For space cars.
The rings are not roads.
What are they?
They are made of ice and rock. Many small pieces move around Saturn.
Like a giant circle?
Yes, a giant ring.
So Saturn has ice cubes? Not for juice, Tom. How far away is Saturn?
Very, very far.
Farther than Grandma's house?
Here is Earth. And here is Saturn.
That is very far. But we can still see it.
A telescope helps our eyes.
Like a super eye?
Yes, a very big super eye.
Thank you, super eye. Tom, it is a telescope. A very helpful telescope. It is so small.
Through the telescope, yes.
But it is really huge.
Saturn is much bigger than Earth.
Bigger than our house?
Much bigger.
Wow. Wait, what is that? It is moving.
That is not Saturn.
It is moving. Is it a star?
No, stars do not move like that. That is a satellite.
A satellite? What does it do?
It travels around Earth.
So, it is a little robot in space? Maybe not little.
But yes, kind of.
Bye, little space robot. It cannot hear you.
Maybe it can.
The moon is very bright tonight. Can we look at the moon too?
Yes, the moon is perfect tonight. Now we point the telescope at the moon.
It is moving again. It is so quiet.
The moon has holes.
Holes?
Holes? They are called craters. The moon has many craters. Some were made by space rocks.
It looks like a gray mountain world. Can we go there?
Maybe one day.
If we go to the moon, I will bring snacks.
You always bring snacks.
Space makes people hungry.
Look at those stars.
They make a shape.
That is a constellation. What shape do you see?
A giant spoon. That actually makes sense.
Many stars are suns.
Suns? Very far away.
Yes, very far away.
The sky is so big. And we are very small.
But we can still look up. Do you know my favorite question?
What?
What else is out there? What was that?
It was so fast.
A shooting star. Some people make a wish.
I already did. What did you wish for? What was your wish? I wish to see Saturn again.
That wish can come true. Let's look at Saturn one more time.
Yes, please. I want to see the rings again.
Lily, you look first.
Tell me if the rings are still there. They are. The rings are still there.
Good.
They look beautiful.
Your turn. I will look slowly.
That is a good idea.
Hello, Saturn. Hello, Saturn. I can see you. You are very quiet, I know.
Why?
Saturn is too beautiful.
The sky is full of things we do not know.
That makes it interesting.
Yes, questions are important.
I have one question. Only one?
Maybe 10.
Can Saturn hear us?
No, Saturn is very far away.
So I must wave bigger?
Goodbye, Saturn. Thank you for showing us your rings.
It will still be there tomorrow.
The sky is closing. The dome is closing, Tom.
But the stars are still outside. It is time to go home.
Can we live here? No, Tom.
What was your favorite part?
The moon.
Saturn.
And the space robot. The sky looks different now. Because we know Saturn is there.
That is right.
How was the observatory?
Saturn has rings.
And the moon has craters.
There was Saturn and the moon and a space robot.
It was a satellite.
Yes, a space robot satellite.
Today, we saw Saturn.
Write the rings.
I did.
Saturn is still out there.
Yes.
Good night, Saturn.
Some things are very far away, but wonder can bring them close.